Hey guys, hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So you guys won't believe this, but I'm actually wearing just a bralette with this because I'm super hot. I had leftover tequila and I had some, so I'm burning up. You know, I got heat flashes going on, so right now I just need to get this video out of the way, and I needed to I just put something on to come on here. Anyway, let's get started. Anyway, maybe I'm a little tipsy, I don't know. But anyway, this video was for this review for this hair. I was actually browsing Amazon for Faux Locs, and these came up, and I clicked so fast to order this, like so fast. So yeah, these are the Faux Locs. They're pretty much curly up top. They're ombre. They have the black 1B up here and a T30, I believe, T30, yeah. And then they have the curly ends right here. So I love this. The minute I saw it and I watched a video of this lady that had it on, I was like, that's my hair. I gotta grab that fast. It's because they look natural. Typically, a lot of the Faux Locs that I've seen on Amazon, they look silkier, and Faux Locs are supposed to be a little bit more natural looking. So this is exactly how the hair looked. This is a loop. You can actually open it really big. Let me put my glasses down here. Ooh. So these are the loops right here. You can open as big as you need to. This is pretty much the hair as it comes, and you can see it's pretty thick. So when it's thick like this, it's really great for really big volume, as you guys can see. So this is the front, and I'm going to turn around so you guys can see the back and stuff like that. So I'm rocking 24 inches. I'm 5'10". 5'10", you guys can see it hits me right here. So yeah, but overall, I mean, I put this hair in yesterday, and I've just been looking in the mirror like I love it so much. This is my type of hair. Now that I've rocked so many crochet braids over the years, I know what to look for whenever I see hair. I'm like, yep, that's my hair. So I saw this, I was like, yep, this is gonna be perfect. So you guys can see, like, it has those curls. The volume is just so amazing. The texture is really natural looking, and I believe that over time it's gonna look even better. I can already tell that. I didn't put too much product, especially the ends. You guys try not to use, if you buy this hair, don't put too much product, especially in this area, because it will frizz up. But this looks like that type of hair that you know it's gonna look better as it gets older. And I believe it's pretty water friendly because, you know, the more you wear it, it's gonna look natural. So I believe it's pretty water friendly. Not that I tried that, but I just believe that. You pretty much could wash it and deep condition and stuff like that without any issues because it looks so natural. But let me come up close. Oh, my little braid is sticking up in the back. My son has birds in the back, so I'm sorry guys, you're hearing the birds. Yeah, but yeah, I really love this hair so much that I used, I think it was like, I got 5 packs for like $30, which is really a great deal. Typically if you go to the beauty supply, you're gonna be spending way more than that. So I got that. I have a big head, and you guys can see that the volume is perfect, like it's enough for me. I didn't run out or anything like that. The only two things that I noticed about this hair is, being that it's thicker, it gives you great volume, but it also makes it, when you're looping them, you have to do it slow because you're gonna feel your scalp. It's gonna hurt a little bit as you're putting them in because you're kind of pulling a large amount of hair. The other thing is, the first day when you put them in, they're a little bit uncomfortable as you lay down because they're so thick. But overall, I mean, the second day, everything is totally good. I didn't feel any weight. I actually wore them today when I was running errands, and I didn't feel like the weight was too much. So yeah, I'm gonna leave all the information down below. So once again, this is 24 inches. I got it in a 1B T30, I believe. And yeah, I'm gonna leave all the information down below. This is not sponsored. This is just me, like, super excited about this hair. Like, this is my kind of hair. You guys already know, like, you already know. Yeah, so really cute, and the color is just so amazing. Anyway, I'm talking too much, but I'll see you guys in the next video.